Amazon truck driver. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to apply for Amazon truck driver. So let's get started. First, check if you're eligible, hold a valid CDL Class A license and be at least 21 years old. You have to pass a background check and drug test. You have to be able to lift packages if required. If you meet basic requirements, then find job openings. For this, go to their Amazon Pride Partner Jobs page. Click on Search Jobs and enter your preferred location. Now browse available positions and select a job listing. Now click Apply Now online and fill out the online application form with contact details, working experience, and driver's license information. Also upload your resume or CV if required. Amazon may contact you for a phone or in-person interview. Complete the background check and drug test and driving record review. Next, once approved, you will receive a job training. You will be assigned Amazon truck routes and start transporting right between warehouses. And that's all. That's how you will be able to get it done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.